In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a support ticket system using forms and automations step by step. If you're looking to improve your customer support workflow with minimal effort, stay tuned. This quick 3-minute tutorial will walk you through everything you need. We've all dealt with customer service frustrations, and managing support tickets manually can be a headache. That's where this system comes in. I'll be using software that streamlines the process, allowing you to handle support requests more efficiently. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to create a form where customers can submit their support tickets. The key here is to include fields that gather all the necessary information up front: name, email, issue description, and any relevant files. This ensures that you don't need to ask for basic info later on. Once your form is ready, make sure it's easily accessible on your website, whether that's a pop-up, dedicated page, or within your help center. Now, here's the game changer: automation. By setting up automations, you can save time and reduce the risk of human error. In this software, we'll create a rule that automatically assigns incoming tickets to the right team or department based on the content of the support ticket. For example, if a customer mentions a billing issue, the automation will route it straight to your billing team. You can even set it up to trigger automatic acknowledgement emails to customers, confirming their ticket has been received. Next, let's set up an automatic follow-up process. You can use this software to send reminders to your team if a ticket has been open for too long without a response. This ensures that no ticket gets forgotten and customer inquiries are resolved in a timely manner. Automating ticket escalation is another great feature. If a ticket isn't addressed within a set time frame, the system can escalate it to a higher priority or send a notification to management. You might be wondering which software I'm using to build this ticket system. I've tested a lot of different options out there, and I'll be honest, this one outperforms the rest when it comes to ease of use and functionality. If you're ready to follow along and set up your own system, I've linked an exclusive free trial to this software in the description below. This offer is only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. As we wrap this up, here's the key takeaway. Creating a support ticket system using forms and automations not only simplifies your customer support process, but also helps your team stay organized and responsive. By automating ticket routing, follow-ups, and escalation, you can offer better service while saving valuable time. To quickly recap, you'll first create a support form with all the necessary fields, set up automation to assign tickets, automate responses, and set up reminders and escalations to ensure no ticket is overlooked. Remember to take advantage of the free trial in the description if you want to follow along and set up this system for your own business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.